lot of people think crochet is, you know, doilies and festival wear, you know, rainbow hippie kind of stuff. And when you're serious, you make beautiful pieces. I mean, if you see the difference between this piece, which is crochet, a lot of lace, a lot of open, and this piece, which is knit, obviously there's a big difference. There's a huge difference. I mean, that's pretty chalk and cheese, as we would say in the UK, which is an expression which means that there ain't nothing that's the same there. But Renee says, I hate that. I'm always looking. I've always looked at, like, I have a third eye for doing both. Yes. Okay. And I had this conversation with Chris before. I keep talking about it because she's here and I'm super excited she's here. But people are either a knitter or a crocheter, but it is not often that you find somebody that does both. You are either a hooker. I, you guys get me, right? I said that out loud and it sounded bad, but you get me.